Hello guys and welcome to another video with me. Now in today's video I'm gonna show you a simple way on how to make Roblox GFX. Now before you do all of this you want to download Blender. I'm gonna link the in the description. Sorry for the English, oh my god. Now if you just click on download, Blender will show you the download to the newest version of Blender. Now what I'm using here is the previous versions because it's more simple. Now if you want to download the previous versions like mine, click here and then just download it here. Okay, after you've done that and then install it, blah 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 blah, now you wanna open Roblox Studio. Give it a second to load. Ooh. Na 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 na. Okay, and then select base plate. Now if you want to make a GFX of a character, an avatar, go to plugins and then click load character. Now if you don't have this plugin, go to the marketplace and toolbox and click plugins and then just type in load character here, this one. There's also the paid one, but I just got the free one, which is the most popular one. Okay, now click load character and then type in the username you want the avatar to load in. Now mine, I'm just gonna go Roblox and then spawn R6. Never spawn, I mean it's your personal choice, but I'll just go with R6. Now here click export selection and then go to your file and then just download the export selection. So I'm just gonna avatar like this, but I've already have one, so I'm not gonna save it. Okay, once you saved it, go to Blender, the one that you just installed, and then click X to delete this block. Delete, and then click import wavefront OBJ. Go to your file, select it. Now if you save one file from Roblox, there will be two options, this one and this one. Now always choose the OBJ file here, like this. Okay, now like that. To move the camera, click Shift and F. Shift and F at the same time, like that, and then move it with WASD. To sprint, hold Shift like that. See, it's fast. Now set the camera. Okay, right click to stop. Boom. Now go here to this one. Open it like that. Slide it out, and then check mark textured solid to bring up the texture, and then ambient occlusion. Close it again, but if you want to open it, it's okay. And then now go to shading, click here, and then click transparent. Now go to this earth logo, the world, go down and then check mark environment lighting. Oh my gosh, indirect lighting too, two of these. Now you can do whatever you want. So to deselect these outlines, the orange outlines, that means you are selecting a part. Now to deselect, click A. Now you can select whatever part you want. Okay, now let's start with the head because it's the easiest one. Click select it with right right click mouse key, yeah. Oh my god, like that, and then hold shift to select multiple items, okay, like that. And now there's three options: rotate, move, and this one which I don't really, oh, this is to actually like uh, scale your item, so you can scale it like that. See, scale it, but I just want to go normal. So I want to just rotate it. You can do whatever you want actually. And just move it. I think that's too much. Okay, like that. Turn it down a bit, like that. Okay, now I'm just gonna deselect it. Let's start with the arms because it's like the most easiest. Okay, here, let's make a weaving. Like everybody in YouTube that makes a tutorial on how to make GFX will start on the weaving hand because it's the most easiest, simple, just cool but simple. Select it, rotate it. Wee. And then move it to the location. I think that's wrong. I'm just gonna rotate it more. There you go.
Move it.
Move it. Bring it. Uh, I think that's fine. I'm not the best. Like, yeah, that's fine for me. Now, there's another way too. Click edit mode. Go to this. Oh, I forgot to deselect. So click A to deselect. Go to edit mode and then click here on this white sphere. I don't know how to spell it. And then click wireframe. Deselect and click select whatever you want. Now, and I just did the worst thing ever. Oh my god. Select which part you want to edit. I'm gonna edit this. Okay, repeat wireframe. Now click subdivide one time. And then deselect. Hold control. Hold the control key. Hold right mouse key. And then select the area that you wanna edit. Like that. Now you can rotate it, like special on that area. Wow, just like that. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, just select. This is it. Now if you're finished with it, go to view, click camera, move the camera with shift F again. Set it like the way you want the image, you want the render to be. I'm just gonna go with this. Now click here, render. Click render image. There you go. Now it will render. Now if you want to save it, click image and click save as image. Now like save it wherever you want. Boop boop. GFX save as image. Now done, and you can edit it. Boom. Pretty easy, right? I'm also gonna make another video on editing a Roblox logo with this GFX. So thank you for watching. Hope you have a nice day, and I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Subscribe, don't forget to like. Bye!